Frozen food processing and packaging. Freezing and pretreatment processes in the frozen food industry. The freezing process involves 3 stages: pretreatment, freezing, and frozen storage. Depending on the foods being frozen, the pretreatment may involve processes such as blanching, heat treatments, dipping treatments, and cryoprotection, among others. It's important to remember the fact that an effective freezing process will only be able to retain the already existing quality of the food and will not actually improve it. Therefore, these pretreatment processes are there to maintain the quality and safety of frozen food. Freezing process. It can be accomplished in several ways. One common method is an indirect contact process with a refrigerant that flows between belts or shelves that contain the frozen food packages. This is known as contact or convection freezing. Another commonly used method is through the use of cold air. Known as air blast freezing, a third freezing method, commonly known as cryogenic freezing, has increased in popularity in recent years. Recommended storage temperature and period. Storage life can be significantly increased as the storage temperature becomes colder. For the majority of products, a temperature of 0 degrees Fahrenheit or below is required if the product is expected to be kept in storage for over 6 months. Storage temperatures that are above 0 degrees Fahrenheit will accelerate quality losses. Time and temperature tolerance. Time and temperature affect the frozen food's overall quality, texture, color, and flavor. The food's resistance to this degradation is known as the time temperature tolerance, TTT. It's imperative for frozen food manufacturers to maintain temperatures across the entirety of the cold chain to prevent consumer dissatisfaction. Frozen foods packaging. Frozen food manufacturers need to satisfy several packaging needs. Customer appeal: food safety, tamper resistance, leak resistance, impermeability, durability, facilitation of rapid freezing, resistance to -40 degrees Fahrenheit temperatures, convenience, economy, eco-friendliness. Frozen food handling best practices. To maximize frozen food production, manufacturers need system integration. Temperature fluctuations also need to be avoided since they can cause the migration of moisture from the product. Frozen food products need to be loaded at a temperature of 0 degrees Fahrenheit or lower. Cable and tube conveyor systems also eliminate the issues of product spillage and warming. To learn more, download the app Food Safety Standard. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube.